are here again to continue with the learning of Dagari, and I am Joseph Dibarne. We are on lesson 7 of the vocabulary acquisition, and today the words we are going to learn are narrate, which means prepare. Narrate, prepare. Then we have Mali, Mali, to make, Mali, to make or prepare. Then we have Duori, Duori, to increase prices of something. Jewelry, to increase prices of something. The same jewelry will mean to mount something, usually to put something on a height. For instance, putting a corpse on stage. Putting a corpse on stage. So we shall look at that here. So, Bayo la nan jewelry akun. Bayo la nan jewelry akun. It is Bayo that is going to put the cups on stage or mount the cups on the stage. Then we have Duori. Duori. Duori is simply to gather things in small groups. Usually, in the case of market, you see people put tomatoes, fishes, and other objects in groups, such as what we refer to as Duori. So Duori, to put small objects such as fruits and stones in groups. Then we have Duori. Duori, that is to urinate. As in Abie Buaraka Duori, the child wants to urinate. So I am going to take it over again. Nari, that is to prepare. For instance, Tibuara Katinari Agawie. Tibuara Katinari Agawie. We want to prepare and go to farm. Tibuara Katinari Agawie. You can also say Tibuara Katinari, then you say something like Agasagi. That is, we want to prepare and go and write. Tibuara Katinari Ayeli. We want to prepare and send. Then we come to Mali. That is to make. To make. For instance, Der Kumbang Mali Dibu. Der Kumbang Mali Dibu. Derek cannot prepare food. Derek cannot prepare food. Derek Kumbang Mali Dibu. You can also replace Dibu with anything. For instance, Jile, which means xylophone. Ganga, which means drum. Anything. Then you are able to go. Then we come to this example. Atinga nembere, buara kaba malele kobriko. Afero sakuri nandi atinga po. Atinga nembere buara kaba malele kobri ako. Afero sakuri nandi atinga po. The elders of the community want to make seats for the community's primary school. The elders of the community want to make seats for the community's primary school. That is, Atinganimbere, Buara Kaba Malele Kogri Apo, Afero Sakuri Nambe Atinapo. Then let's come to this place, and we have as has already been mentioned, we have sorry, I didn't finish yet. We have Duori, as in increase the price of something. For instance, to increase prices. Sorry, Bananga Duori Sinkan Dasere. Bananga Duori Sinkan Dasere. That is, they have not increased the price of granuts yet. They have not increased the price of granuts yet. Then we have this one, that is Duori, the same pronunciation, the same spelling, but this time round it means to mount something on stage. For instance, to put corpse or a deceased person on stage, as in Bayuola Nanjuri Akun. Bayuola Nanjuri Akun. That is, Bayua is the one to mount the corpse on stage. So let's come to Duori again, which I have already told you that it is to put small objects in groups. Usually, you see that in the market where tomatoes are put in groups, okra are put in group, or okra are put in group, and others. So For example, in Buaraka in Durila Chere Akwari. As I know that those who understand the language would have been expecting me to say Chira, but Chira more or less stands for a singular term. Chere is the plural term for Akiapo. So Mbuaraka in Durila Chere Akwari. That is, I want to group Akiapos and sell. So I want to put them in groups and sell. Then we come to jewelry, that is to urinate. To urinate, e.g., Abia Buaraka jewelry, the child wants to urinate. Thank you very much for participating in this morning lesson. We shall meet again, but for the time being, bye bye.